Welcome back, friends and viewers. Today we have a new episode to help you through these dark times in which no barbershops are open. I'm sure some of you guys out there are starting to look like cavemen, wildebeests, or both. But fear not, today I've got a video to help you feel fresh again without having to give yourself a full self haircut. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to clean up your neckline and around the ears nice and easily. Doesn't take long, and these are some of the first parts to get a bit too out of control if you haven't had a haircut in a while. Okay guys, so here's a little clip of what the back of my neck looks like at the moment. Yeah, you see, so you get these bits. For me, these are the first bits to start getting bad. These bits on the neck, and also the hair starts to grow over the ears, so I'll be showing you guys how to take care of that. In this video I'll be using my clipper, which is a Wahl Magic Clipper, my trimmer, which is the Andis T Outliner, and a handheld mirror. So yeah, you guys are going to need a mirror and another mirror, like this. So then you can see the back of your head this way. Get it? Two main points before we start. Don't make it too boxy. It's all about following the natural growth pattern of your hair. And also, you don't want to take it too high. You just want to keep it looking natural. Let's give this a go. So the trick to this is, if you're not used to making backwards movements, before you make any cuts, make sure that your clipper is at the right angle. So adjust it, then you can cut. So making sure it's at the right angle first before you cut is very important. Go over to this side. So the best way to do this line is to imagine a line that's going straight down and running all the way through my neck like this. And then you just want to follow that imaginary line. You don't want to be cutting at an angle into it. You just want to imagine the line and cut exactly straight, as if there was a ruler going down the back of my neck. And when going around the ear, it's tricky, but with a bit of practice, it becomes quite easy. The only tip I can recommend with that is just use the very corner. Just use the very corner of the trimmer while going round, and just draw like a pencil with the very corner. Right, so I'll show you guys exactly what I mean by drawing around the ear. And there we go guys, that's how to trim up around your ears and the back of your neck. Just to make yourself feel a lot fresher if you've got that neck fuzz going on. Okay, now it's time for me to have a quick shower, have a quick shave and see how it looks. As you can see, we went around the ear, neaten things up, no hair touching the ears anymore. That's the back of the neck. Neatened up and lined up. And then around the ear again on this side. Friends and viewers, look at this transformation, look how different I'm looking right now. Shaved, neatened up hair, different man, I'm a new man, a completely different guy. That is how you neaten up your neckline and around the ears. It might not be quite the same as getting a haircut, but it can definitely help you to feel fresher in between trims, and especially if you're feeling a bit scruffy. It's just going to neaten things up for you. So it's really easy to do. Anyone can give this a try, even if you've never even considered giving yourself a haircut. All you have to do is make sure that your clipper is in the right position before you cut. Just take it slow and steady, guys. That's my advice. Slow and steady. But for anybody who is practicing their fading right now, as I know some people are, you could take this one step further and you could actually do a taper on the back of the neck. And I did a video on this, and I'm going to link that video at the end of this, so you guys can go straight to that one if you want to. Please subscribe if you're new here. If you liked the video, if it's useful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Everybody stay safe. Peace. See you in the next one.